Butterfly.
Music. Music.
Okay, I heard
We can use music, Charvi.
music.
When the music is going, the dance will be going. So we can use music.
Okay, that's a good idea, Janya. So where is music here? So which music? Bell, drums, trumpet. What goes with ballerina here? Singer, drums, tabla,
Charvi guitar.
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 Which
Charvi
guitar?
guitar is
Charvi
best
guitar.
because ballerina is a slow song. It can be played by guitar.
Okay, so guitar
First one
and
guitar. First
repeat
guitar.
Let's take first
First guitar.
guitar.
first one. Okay, the classic. Okay, so where should we keep it? Like here or above? Let's keep it down, right? Below.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
We can
Charvi.
keep it down.
Okay, so let's change the size of the ballerina. So to like change the specific object, for example, we have a lot of objects here, and we want to like change ballerina, but we are on this block. So you cannot change here. If you write size, and were meant to change the size of ballerina, it will not change. For example, I am thinking I want to change the size of ballerina, but I will enter 56 here. But the size changed in guitar. Why is it so? Because um we are in the guitar block, ballerina. So ballerina, I want to change size now. For example, we'll go with 1, 2, 3, 123. So the ballerina size is changed. So here backdrop is the back side of the stage. So we have same as before, Arctic, baseball 2, basketball 2, beach, bedroom, bench, the park, blue sky, Broadway walk, castle, uh, this circles pattern, cities, galaxy, garden rock, and we have chalkboard like classroom, and we have many more. Here we can go fantasy like castles, witch house, woods, musics like concerts, spotlights, theater. Oh, sorry. Yeah, yeah, theater too, like all the stuff related to sports, outdoors, like park. Sorry, was someone talking? Was anyone talking? Am I audible? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes,
Charvi,
Charvi,
your
you are
voice
audible.
was breaking.
Yes, Charvi,
Yes,
you're
sir,
audible.
we are audible.
Okay. So I think someone said my voice is breaking. I think something you have a internet issue. So please check that. Then can we continue?
Yes,
Yes,
Charvi.
Chavi.
Okay, we have indoors like rooms, classrooms, concerts, halls, party, refrigerator, room, sandwich house. Space like galaxy, theme, underwater, and patterns. So which one should we go with?
Charvi,
We
we
can
can
take
go
Theater.
with
concert
Theater.
stages,
Theater.
like theater, stages, spotlight dance.
Theater. Theater.
Chavi, we can use
Let's go with
theater.
the music.
Okay, let's go with
Classic theater.
Let's take
theater
a third
because
one,
Chavi, you can
theater.
use
we
theater.
can use
Yeah.
spotlight or
okay, I think we'll go with theater because it makes the most sense for ballerina. Okay, next here you got to know about sprites and backdrops, right? So here if you want to choose multiple backdrops, you can. For example, I think also people told concert, so let's go with that. Okay, but for now let's keep it theater. Is theater here? There are two theaters. Which one should we go with? The theater 1 or 2?
Theater one.
One is best.
Theater one.
Theater
Okay.
one.
Theater 1 has more of an Indian culture, like. Okay. Next, we'll go to this side of the desktop. So here we have codes. So to create an animation or even in Python and the computer language, you need code to program something, right? Like you need to tell the sprites to do this, do that, right? So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 codes options. So here we have motions, which is like go forward, go back, go like 10 steps forward, go like 20 steps backwards, or turn 15 degrees, turn like left 15 degrees or right 15 degrees. And here we have looks. So like looks means basically we want the ballerina to say like, hi, I'm a ballerina, I'm going to perform something like that. Or we can go, looks means basically this, right? So we can change how it looks, who comes next after the ballerina, and if we want this sprite to change. So next we'll go with the sounds. So sounds means basically if we insert a music, we want this sound to come like this, and like we want to change sounds. For example, let's come with classic, a piano, and next we want to suddenly change it to a guitar sound. So we can change it. So that's the sound. And events means this is the main thing. When green flag clicked, you can see this, right? So green flag means when we write the code and we click on this green flag, that means the program executes it. Like we want ballerina to go to the right or the left, and we have to click the green flag in order for it to work. Okay, next control. It means like if ballerina is turning or dancing, like make her tell this or do that. Then sensing, which means when if for example you know Tom and Jerry, right? The classic cartoon. So if uh, Tom catches Jerry, that means we get a point if we when we create a game, right? So then Jerry has to run and the Tom has to chase it, right? So we can create it like that, and when if Tom is touching Jerry, that means we get a point. Okay, when we create a game, we can create games here. Next, operators. Operators means in this price we saw letters, right? So like this lens or apple A contains A, we can do operators here. Operators means even arithmetic operators too. Variables. As I told before, let's take the game. Like Tom is chasing Jerry. When Tom touches Jerry, that means it changes my the R code to by 1. Okay, so like every time Tom touches Jerry, we the score moves up. And my blocks here means like when we create a game, we can give a name to that, even if it's like score or like a score. Are you understanding? Like we want the score to change to this much, right? Or we can go the amount of time is touched or chasing. We can give any type. So I think most of you are familiar with scores, right? So when you play a game, you get a score. Like every time you win a game, you get score. Like it goes by 1, and next game you win, it goes 2. So if you lose the game, the score goes back to 0. So, did you understand the codes?
Yes,
Yes.
Charvi.
Hit Charvi.
Okay, so
Yes,
students,
Charvi. Yes, Charvi. Yes, Charvi.
okay, so we are in a shortage of time and we have to finish this fast, so I'll just do it quickly. So move 10 steps. So move 10 steps. So when I click this, ballerina moves 10 steps. We can change it. If you want, we can make it go only 2 steps. So when I click, green flag click, it will move 10 steps. So I request everyone to mute their audios. Thank you. So we can change it here or we can remove this and we can make her turn 15 degrees to the left and we can change here too. For example, let's make her turn 180 degrees.
Excuse me, Charvi.
Yes, sister.
After placing the pictures, what we have to do?
So after placing sprite, we have to create a code for it, right? In order for it to dance or show any signs of movement.
Yeah.
Okay, so I hope you understood. Looks means we can make her say hello for, let's make her say it for 5 seconds. Hello, ballerina is saying hello. I'm going to perform this. You can even write here. Hello. So we have only 6 minutes left for the meeting to end because we are in such shortage time. I will finish it fast. So the ballerina is saying hello, I'm ballerina, and you can add as much as you want to it. So let's go. Then just codes means like if you want to make it tell something or do something. So I'll explain more deeply about this in our next class. Then costumes. And also when it comes to chords, there's blocks. So if you want a guitar to do something, we have to create in this block. You can see this lightly faded away image, right? That means it shows the block it is in. Okay, if we go to ballerina, see here, you can see a light faded picture of ballerina. And we'll go to costumes. So let's go with the ballerina. Ballerina has 4 different costumes. So ballerina is basically sitting like in a Bharatanatyam pose, and she is jumping and she is dancing in the air. Okay, so ballerina, we can change her costumes. So if we go, we have to click this. Like I want to click this. I don't want pink. I want it to be red. See, you can see it has changed. You can change this too. So here you can change the brightness. Let's go with this red, and you can change it. Okay, she looks a bit weird right now, but it's okay. So as you can see here, when I change, you can see the change in here too. So here you can undo this, the change, and it goes back to its original form. And you can select this, and you can see it has appeared here. So in the course, you can make her like for one moment you can make her standing, and another moment you can make her doing this pose or jumping. You can see copy paste, and you can paint here. So I want to write something here. Hello. So you can see it has appeared here too, right? So I will erase this. You can just hit undo and this it has. Okay. So here you can draw a line. I will choose, okay, let's go with black. As you can see, a line. Has appeared here. So we can choose here any shapes, or if you want to make this dress look purple, also you can see the change here. So let's change the sounds. So here it has shown the sounds. Here you go to choose sound and you can. So there's bass. Can you hear the sounds?
No,
No,
Charvi.
Charvi.
Okay, so
No,
basically,
No, Charvi, it's not audible.
okay, so with your laptop, you can try this too. So basically, it makes a guitar sound or electric piano. So we have chosen a guitar, right? So it is not audible to you, but if you have a laptop or in offline classes, you can listen to these sounds. Okay, so here we want to, there are many options here. You can choose in any one. So we'll go with the guitar for now. So it is not really audible to you now. So we can make it go faster or slower or even louder, and or softer means more slowly, and we can make it mute, which means you can't hear anything, and like fade in. So in order to unmute, you have to click on undo, and here fade in, like you want it to go softer and more loudly at the end, or fade out like louder at the beginning and more softer at the end. Then robot. It's like a robot making the sounds. You can even add this sound here, and you can go to sounds and you can add play guitar sound until done. And when right click, it's not audible to you, but it is playing guitar sound. Okay, so we have.
Charvi, we are not really listening to what you are telling.
Yes,
Yes.
Charvi.
Sorry,
We can't hear.
I think that's all we have. We have very less than a minute, and I will explain about it in the next class. And we did not get much time here. We got only about 30 minutes. And thank you all for attending the class. And I hope we can explain more. I know some of you joined late and couldn't explain. I will explain it to you in the next class. We will have more time in the next class.
Okay,
Okay.
Charvi.
Okay, I hope you
Okay, sir.
understood the topic. If you have any doubts, you can ask questions in the group.
One doubt, Charvi.
Sorry?